my style. Ooh, yeah. Sometimes you need a little loving. Morris, the critic.
All right. Yes, at the beginning of it all, we are going to start with our natural herb. And this time around, I'm using the rosemary. And of course, I cannot use only the rosemary. I just have to get some other things that I add in. And of course, I cannot forget the honey plus the olive oil. Yes, I cannot forget that. Plus, even the fenugreek is also very, very perfect. So, as the end of it all, after mixing everything, you just have to come and we add it in our natural hair to make it to start our treatment. So, this is how we have managed to grow her hair until this height and very thick, plus no brokerage in front. Like we're trying to maintain no brokerage in front. So this is the treatment that we always use. And of course, those ones who always think that now if you're doing this, is it only for kids? No way. Yes, the treatment is the natural herb of rosemary, so even the adults can also do it because the rosemary, you know what it can do? It thickens the hair and also hair fast growth. And then another thing, it even slowers the gray hair. So for the adults, that is why you should also try to keep applying your treatment, the herb treatment of the rosemary, because it is really, really perfect. And then after that, we don't want to also remember we are doing our natural herbs, and we don't want to apply anything that is not, yes, like maybe like the polythene, because we also know that it has got also its substance that we don't want to enter into our hair. So this is how it is also going to remain natural. You might choose to add on the hair, the steam, or even just to stay with it for some like 30 minutes, like natural steaming without the heat. So after it, we come to massage and we wash it out with our natural hair shampoo called MDC. And those ones who would want to purchase this, the link is in the description. You can also do that. Yes, I had forgotten to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on the red button, ring the bell, because this is the channel that you always find different types of hairstyles. And of course, we make sure that we upload every week for you guys to learn. So here we are going to take all the steps after we have washed. We are going to take all the steps, and you know the steps of detangling, and we comb before we do a blow drying. Yes, I always hear some people that don't like blow drying their hair, but at the same time, it is not advisable also not to blow dry it, because it's only that those ones who use the blow drying, they use the overheating it. That is the only problem. But once you blow dry it with the cool heat, and plus that maybe depends on the hair. That those ones who have like very very soft hair, and they can always not blow dry it, they can just feel that room temperature heat. It's also very 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 okay. But at the end of it all, you also need that heat for your hair. Yes. So now, when it comes to hair, we are going also to have to separate into three portions. This is how I always make her hair. I make sure that now, since they're going to school, we also know that they do a lot of activities, that is like swimming, you get it. So now when they come back after swimming, I've been applying the natural twists, but you find out that the natural twists, they tangle like for all those 3 months when they're at school. Coming back, you find like in 3 months without opening it, it tangles, like it disturbs mostly when you're trying to comb it out. So what I do, I just add in some little extension, so that whenever I twist, by the time I'm going to untwist it, the extension is going to help me as in to untwist very very quick, and even to help not to detangle. So that's why I'm adding the small kinky in it, you get it. And now another good the method that I'm using while plating is also very very interesting, because I'm using the inward knotless braiding. I've been teaching you how to do this, and I hope most of you know how to do the inward knotless braiding. It is very very perfect. You can always try it. It is really very very interesting. So this is how I do. You just separate the hair into three portions, then you just bring your kinky like this, and then you braid from down just like that. So after it all, what I always do is to hold here, and then I remove. Let me hold here like this, then I remove the kinky, not the hair. It's the one that I tie here on top. This one helps my twist now to be firm, you see. There I tie that. So this you don't tie using her real hair, you tie using the kinky, so that when you start twisting, it is going to be easy. Those ones, not a must that you need to tie. You can just braid the threads from down, and then you start twisting. It's also fun. But just because this one I do it since I'm braiding and someone else is going to be finishing, so I don't want them to untwist themselves. Okay, I don't want them to untwist themselves. That's why I do that. So for now, you can see how healthy our hair is, and this is the hairstyle that we always add in and protects it for the whole term. So guess what? You also need it. You also need it, the treatment plus all these protective hair subs, because I've been telling you that most of the times whenever you're trying to grow your natural hair, it is always very very nice first know the hair products you're using. And please, whenever you're using the hair products, use them correctly, from the shampoo to the oil. You get it? That is the shampoo, conditioner, detangler, oil. Like, you should use from for one product, so that if there is anything that is disturbing your hair, you will just know that maybe it is the product, okay, that you're using. And another thing is, you should also try to understand your hair type. If it is weak, just make sure that you know the hairstyles that you're supposed to plait, and those ones that you're not supposed to plait, because it is also very very important. I've seen a lot of people that have lost their hair just because they just want to plait anything they see. They want to plait it, yes, because it is trending. But at the end of it all, you find like it breaks their hair just because they didn't know the type of that hair extension to be added in their hair if it can really work out. So please make sure that you always have to understand that. And the third, I always see there's some people who have this tendency of going to the salons with their treatments and the oils, mostly the detangler and the treatment plus the oil. Yes, that one, it is very very fine, but just know the major thing that you shouldn't always forget is the shampoo, because you might go in someone's salon with your products, like, but without a shampoo, and someone uses another shampoo, then it would have killed everything. So make sure that the shampoo you use, it is also equivalent to so the shampoo that you use is also need to be the same product with the ones that you're having. Don't mix the products. That is what I can say about those people. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, guys, but you can see, let's see how this is going to come out. May the Lord bless you all. Let me see you next time, same time, same videos, not same hairstyles. You get me? Bye bye. See you guys. And I cannot forget to shout out to these people: Coco, Alicia, Whitson, and there is a Fizzy Joy. Plus, it's me, Tina. We love you so much. Gwendolyn, Bona, Asante Sana. We love you so much. And I sign out.
You got the touch of a Christian master. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Morris. Crochet master, no, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah, yeah. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Bold We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you, and we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We're neat like expected. We're here for you. We are